On average, 300 trucks from Kenya register at Busia border each day. Because of a directive from the Ministry of Health to take COVID-19 samples from all drivers, health officials say they are overwhelmed by the numbers. When Parliament's Health Committee visited the testing center, the officials revealed that they had run out of the nozzle testing kits.
Currently, we are collecting only the oral pharyngeal swab as we wait for the new consignment, which is soon arriving, so that we can re-embark on having the two recommended samples.
So if in an hour you are only collecting samples from only 24 people, so when you look at the trucks, because you've been told you have like maybe 500 passengers, those truck drivers and their conductors.
So far, 2 truck drivers have tested positive for COVID-19, with one intercepted at Kamdin, reportedly with a passenger on his way to Gulu. Now leaders in Bukedea town and MPs, who represent areas along the northern corridor, want truck drivers to be barred from making stopover in these areas.
But if we knew the designated areas, they would not be having stopovers in the trading centers as they are doing now, and that's posing a danger of the spread of COVID-19.
They wait for the results. We keep them around. When we are sure they are now okay, we release them. Because to leave them, it means we might be releasing them to an environment which may not be proper.
The kind of contact between the drivers and the people is so high that we are at a risk. We risk getting a total outbreak.
But the State Minister for East African Affairs, Julius Maganda, says it is the position of health ministers and regional ministers to allow these drivers to continue moving before their results are out, but they should be closely monitored.
We have advised the transporters to purchase and ensure that they install the systems that can be able to monitor and track the movement of the drivers, the movement of their vehicles. Uganda Revenue Authority already has developed the same system.
In Kasese district, local drivers dealing in small cargo at Impondwe border claim some of the big truck drivers are being allowed to continue on their journeys without being tested.
The international drivers, they continue because they can easily be tracked within the 24 hours. But our locals, it is somehow difficult. That's why we take them to quarantine to wait until when their results come.
Herbert Ziwa, NTV Weekend Edition.